Now Jamila is in training gymnastics today, and we are going to prank her.
So Khawla, where are we going now?
We are going to ask Martina.
What are we gonna do there?
We're going to buy some slime for Jamila. Tab.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye. Now we're just at home. Now I'm gonna put slime in Jamila's tab.
Are you ready?
Yes. No. Hi guys. Today we are going to put this plain wrapper in Jamila's tab, and then we're going to put this next.
Alright.
We're going to put the plain wrapper. Now it's all wrapped up. Now we'll be putting the slime. Now I'm ready to put the slime. Wow, a lot of slime. Get it out. Spread it. It's kind of fun to play with this. Spread it out. It's here. Now we are wait for Jamila. And gooey slime. Never ever sleep.
Okay, Jams, go change now.
Never ever sleep.
Go change.
Go,
How was your gymnastics?
go change it. Go change it. Coach ever shot at me just one time.
She shouted at you just one time. You were gone for a very long time. I missed you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did so much sleep.
Why don't you go inside Khalid's room first, and then Ate will prepare the pool and some snacks.
Go inside Cali's room.
Gonna watch your tab?
Oh, why did we put it in the plastic? We didn't do that. It was.
Hello? What happened? What's that?
I don't know. What's?
Ew. Who did that?
Did he make a prank at me? No.
Who pranked you?
Not me. Not me. Maybe it was Khalid.
Did you prank your sister, Khawla?
No.
No. Did Khawla prank you?
Yep, she did. Did you make a prank at me?
Ate Eden was the one who's pranked because she's gonna clean up.